Lately, many families who relied on health insurance as their safety net are finding themselves left without support. Claims that should have been covered are being rejected, delayed, or reduced. And this is not just causing financial strain, it's taking an emotional toll too. So what really going on here? So that's exactly what I want to talk about today, and more importantly, how you can make sense of it and protect yourself. So hi, I am Mariam and I represent PolicyHub, and at PolicyHub our mission is simple: to make insurance clear, easy to understand and fair for everyone. And in this video, we will look at a disturbing trend revealing in a recent report in which health insurance is failing many of the people who depend on it the most. And this is not just about numbers, it's about real lives, broken trust, and how people are being left unprotected when they need help the most. So, the situation with health insurance is not looking great, and unfortunately, many families are feeling the impact firsthand. Even when a claim is fully justified medically, it's not uncommon for it to get rejected or heavily reduced. So, why does this happen? Well, insurers are under pressure, medical costs are rising, and their margins are shrinking. And the pool of risk is getting smaller. And the result, more scrutiny, more rejections, and more of the burden falling on the patient. A lot of this comes down to how third-party administrators handle claims. And these are the middlemen who process the paperwork, and when they often working with very thin margins. And in practices, this can mean delays, repeated requests for extra documents, or outright rejections on technical ground. When staffs are inexperienced, a complex claim can return into a frustrating maze of back and forth. And hospitals also play a role in this tension. Insurers sometimes flag bills they think are inflated, and certain hospital costs can rise when insurance is involved. And these discrepancies often become reasons for insurer to reject or reduce payouts. And while there's some regulatory oversights, it's often not enough. Even when the IRDA points out lapse enforcement is limited, and many complaints just get forwarded around without meaningful resolutions. So all of this adds up is very real human ways. And take one patient for example who was denied cashless treatment and asked to seek reimbursement later. Family had to pay upfront, borrow money, and spend months fighting for what was rightfully theirs. And even when doctors clearly support the treatment, insurers sometimes deny claims. So experts say changes is long overdue. Clearer policy document, better consumer education, simplified grievance channels, and smarter technologies could make a huge difference. Automation could speed up claim processing, while regulators need stronger power and perhaps a unified oversight system that look at insurers, TPAs, and hospitals together. So until reform actually happen, policyholders can't just sit back. It's important to keep all medical records, ask for written explanations, escalate grievance when needed, and stand firm when a valid claim is denied. And it might feel overwhelming, but being proactive is the best way to protect yourself. So where does all this leave us? Health insurance is something that's supposed to protect us in our toughest moment, and is often letting people down instead. And for policyholders, staying alert, informed, and persistent is not just a good idea, it's absolutely necessary. And for insurers and regulators, this is a wake-up call. Systems need to improve, policies need to be clearer, and trust with customer has to be rebuilt. Because at the end of the day, insurance should be a safety net, not another hurdle. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on health insurance. You can also check out the related videos at the end screen of this video to learn more about protecting yourself and your family. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.